Hi. There are many of us who are helping clients, training people who help clients, who are feeling the weight of what everybody's feeling, the difficulties that seem to be increasing rather than decreasing. And it bears a heavy weight. It's a toll on us, on our mental health and potentially physical health. I actually felt that way last week and realized I needed to up the skills and my toolbox to feel better. I have the great good fortune to be able to drive to a beach, and I did that. It was beautiful, chilly in Northern California, but beautiful. As I was sitting pretty close to the shore, I noticed something that looked almost like driftwood, kind of moving, and then a bird stood upright, about a foot tall. It was facing me with its back towards the ocean. A young child came running towards it saying, "There's a little penguin there." And their parents said, "Come back, that bird must be injured." Pretty soon, I saw walking down the beach coming towards the bird a couple. They were holding hands and walking. They noticed the bird and they were looking at it. They looked up at the family and asked them. Somehow we could hear each other, even though there was quite a bit of distance between everybody, asking how long the bird had been there because they hadn't seen it before when they first started walking. They concurred that that bird was injured. They looked at it, they were talking with each other, and the man walked towards away while the woman stayed there watching the bird. He came back with a blanket that appeared lightweight but large. The woman gently put the blanket over the bird and then scooped up the bird under her arm and started walking away. She very kindly turned around and looked at me and said, "We're bird rescuers. We're going to bring this bird to be treated." My heart was so touched. I have no idea what the bird's experience was, this injured bird that couldn't move. And imagine that two human beings, of all the people, bird rescuers, with the proper equipment to transport this bird to get the help that it needed. It gave me tremendous hope. I'd like you to think about one of the things that you're very concerned about right now, one of the many, and feel how intense it is, 0 to 10, where it might land in your body. And let's tap on that. Even though I feel so intense about this thing, I want to relax my body. Even though I feel like there's no way this is going to end well, I'd like to think about that bird being rescued. Even though I feel so intense about this thing, I want to feel relaxed and surprised. I feel so intense about this. I feel so intense about this. I don't see how it can possibly end well. I'm afraid. It's very intense. I'd like to feel better, even though it is intense. I'd like to feel more comfortable, even though this is very intense. Releasing some of the intensity, just like that bird being rescued unexpectedly, having hope when there was seemingly no hope. I choose to have hope when there's seemingly no hope. I choose to feel more relaxed. I choose to imagine that I could get what I need, just like that bird did. Take a breath and let it go. And see if you feel a little lighter, a little more hopeful. I hope that you do. Please let me know if I might be able to help you in any way. You can reach me through my website at suzannealfandary.com. Please like, share, leave a comment about this video. I wish you all very well. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.